Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, royalty. Say good morning. Say good morning, husband. Morning, morning, morning. Good morning, my beautiful people. Let me tell. Oh, baby, careful. Over. Let me tell you something. The streets in Old Harbor, Jesus Christ. Like, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness is right.
I tell you, even if I knew how to drive, I wouldn't drive here. No way in hell. No way in hell. But we are going to the beach today. We're trying to figure out which beach to go to. And I honestly don't want to, I don't want my husband to have to drive too far to the beach. Because once you kind of reach and you settle in and, you know, you have the sun on you, the sun is very, very draining. It makes you very tired. And these roads, like, even drive, what was that we was on, Greg? That was the highway, right? Where it's just like straight and it was like the mountains and stuff. Like, it's almost like when you put on something on YouTube to soothe you to go to sleep. That's how I was envisioning it. When I was looking at it, I was like, this looks like something I would watch on YouTube to soothe me to go to sleep. And of course you can't be sleeping and driving. So I don't want it to be too far. We're on the beach in Ocho, Rios. Where's your bucket? Look at your bucket. Nothing gonna happen. How blue. What? What? He's so. Yes, it is nice.
Yeah, pizza guy.
Look at royalty. And everybody looking at her. Like she's in distress. This little girl, just because she don't want to come in the water. It feels so good. I'm coming, boo-boo. Where you want me to put it? Huh? Where you want? Where you? I was cosplaying. I want to get wet now. Where do you want me to put it? Can I go get wet?
No.
Yeah, I'm going to get wet a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay? This girl, I can't, she do too much. Huh? So get the bucket.
Your wife?
Very good. So annoying.
I'm gonna go put down this. I've just lost this bracelet just now. Everyone found it.
Royalty is way too dainty for me. Way. No. No. Yup. When we came when she was a baby, oh gosh, she was screaming. She could barely talk, right? She was screaming. We even put the what you call it on her, yeah, all of that, everything. The body one, the arms, she don't trust it. She really come like Blessed. Because Blessed don't take chances with nothing. She looking like who baby, hold me. It's water, of course you can. She'll hold me out of water. It will never happen. Hold me when we get to land.
Oh yeah,
no. Oh. Babe, don't go under too much, your ears. Miss, let me go. You're too coward. But I want you so cool.
Yeah, man. We just have feel it, you know.
That's a high step.
Yeah, man. Oh, no, yes, it's so cool.
The further you go?
No, man, come right here, sir. Come right here, sir.
It's tough part out there, sir. Yeah.
Yes, so cool, man.
That's a warm zone. That's a wow. But the water comes this direction of cold water. Show you what seawater we can carry. I'm coming. Sit down. What they said, boo boo? You're a big girl, right? Huh? Oh, okay. We're coming up a little further. Me and Royalty. Give me a kiss. Oh wait, get it off for you. Oh, look at my baby. Woo! That was a big one. What's that? It is cloudy out. Because it was raining. Ooh.
They can touch you there.
Oh, big one.
All of this didn't came out. Now, wait, I found something.
What's that?
A snail shell.
Oh, it is? Oh. Yeah, so.
A snail shell, guys.
Let me see. Somebody just literally got proposed to. Congratulations, girl. Dragging them as far. Wow. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. My foot is getting caught in, what is that, seaweed? Royce said, the people think I'm by myself. You want somebody to...
Okay, my 5 minutes up.
Grace. Mommy, come. I'm coming.